All right. What up, y'all? Jasir. California Ticketmasters is back again. Let's hit it. Cut it, DJ. All right, man, I'm back. What's going on, y'all? Jasir, California Ticketmasters, coming to help y'all one more again, man. I'm trying to help y'all, man. I'm hoping that y'all watching these videos because y'all need help. And you found it. The Oasis and the Life Raft is at your grasp. Grab it. Call 866-920-0768. Now, what we talking about today? We talking about the number one question of all time. Jasir, how do I win this ticket? How can I beat this ticket? How can I win in court? I don't know if I can do this by myself. I don't know if I can win this ticket. I'm guilty. I actually crossed the double lines. I was going 85 miles an hour. Yeah, I was doing the things that he said. So how can I'm caught red-handed? How can I win? Shut the fuck up. Let's start there, number one. Let's stop being a weenie and just stop right there and think. Number one, let's talk about this. Let me help you figure out how you can get this done. First thing you're going to do is, again, fight back. How can you win if you don't even try to fight it in the first place? You have to even want to fight back. And once you figure out you want to fight back, then how are you going to fight back is the next question. Do you hire a lawyer? If you're stupid, you do. Because a lawyer can't guarantee that your ticket is going to get dismissed. I've been in court with many a day and watched lawyers walk up to that podium and get thrashed by the judge. They're begging and pleading with judges on your behalf, or not arguing one law. They're just begging and pleading with the judge to have mercy on your case. That's not a winnable tactic. Because guess what? The lawyer don't work for you. He works for the court. Look it up. I keep telling y'all this. Look it up. The best way you can win this is to do what they call, or go as what they call pro per. But in layman's terms, that means go fight your own damn ticket. That means don't hire somebody else to clean up your mess. Clean up your own mess. Only you know your mess better than you. That's it. Nobody else outside of you knows your mess better than you. So I've never had a fight where somebody jumped in my fight and fought harder than me. Never seen that one before. And it's not going to start in traffic court, trust me. So go pro per. Fight your own damn ticket. That's the first step. Now once you cross that hump, do your homework. They usually give you the answer on your ticket. Every time somebody write the ticket down and they put the law in there, go read it. Have you ever actually read what the law said? Or did you just get the ticket and throw it in the glove compartment and throw it in the back seat? They usually give you the answer. Because every law is like a spider web. Every law goes to the next law and reverts to the next law, which usually leads you to the answer. That's why it's called a code. It's like a spider's web that will lead you to the answer. But if you quit somewhere down the web road, that's when you lose. So just read the ticket for next time. Read what the law says and then start trying to figure out your tactic, how you're going to fight it from there. But again, do your homework. Do your homework. And if you want to come to our class, we are more than welcome to take you in and teach you step by step. We've already done the work for you. Just come in and learn, sit down and be a sponge and soak it up. And you will win every ticket you touch now or in the future. Call 866-920-0768 and ask to register for our next Traffic Academy. All right. Now, once you decide to fight and you did your homework, you must argue the law. Not your circumstances. Not, I just got fired last week. Not, I wasn't really speeding. My foot was hurting. That's not an excuse. That's not an excuse. That's just not an excuse, okay? So, argue the law. Now, if you can find a law that says if your foot hurt, you can speed, then we're good. We're golden, right? But that doesn't exist. So the moral to the story is find the law that backs up your argument. Okay? I argue stuff differently, so I can't tell you my argument over a YouTube video. That is too personal. Again, we have a Traffic Academy. You can join that academy and find all that good information out. 866-920-0768. Boom, boom, boom. All right, now, coming back. Argue the law. The next thing I would say, how do you make a good argument using the law? I have this acronym that I use. It's called TFO. It's called I build my thesis. In other words, why do I think this ticket is wrong, is unlawful? Whatever I think that is in my mind, I write that up in a brief synopsis and I follow it up with the facts. TFO. So you got thesis and then you got a fact. The fact is, what does the law say that backs up my thesis, right? And once I got my thesis and my facts down and I got the judge squirming in his chair, then I give him an objective, which means what do I want to happen in this scenario? I'm going to give you an example, okay? The judge asks me, how do I plead in court? Here's my thesis, facts, and objective. Judge, I am not here to enter a plea. I have yet to see a plaintiff present. I have yet to been presented with the verified complaint that I have requested through my lawful documents that I'm sure you have on your desk right now. So if you need time to look over them, I have all the time in the world. I took off work today just for you. If you want to look at them, check it out. But if not, I am not here to enter a plea. Number one, based upon or pursuant to so many different laws, but just a couple, Judge, I'll give you. Vehicle Code 40513, Vehicle Code 40518, the Fifth Amendment, self-incrimination, Penal Code 740, Penal Code 949. Because guess what, Judge? This ticket is an infraction, right? Yes, it is. If it's an infraction, it says all infractions must be prosecuted by a written complaint. And I need you to furnish me that complaint because this is an infraction also. It didn't say all except some. It said all infractions. Therefore, if you can't give me that complaint based upon everything I just said, my objective today is for you to dismiss my case with prejudice in the interest of justice and let me go home about my day. How about that? That's the way I would present at least that one little small question. Thesis, facts, and objective. How do you win a ticket? Do your homework. The better way? Join our Traffic Academy. Call us 866-920-0768. I'm Jahseer.